As we finally about to get back to some more Oh My Girl, we're gonna check out Windy Day this time. I started out the year checking out more Oh My Girl. Literally the first day of the year, I checked out Closer, and that was amazing. I kept going with Liar Liar, I kept going with Cupid, and then I took a break because I don't, just like how I started out last year when I first started checking out videos, some groups I ended up checking out all their stuff, but there's groups still that I started checking out at the beginning of last year that I'm checking out things for the first time this year, and I like it that way. I'm not saying I'm necessarily gonna wait to check out, like, let's just say Coloring Book in 2019. 2019? This is 2019. 2020. But I like spacing things out because I don't like getting through everything right away. Especially because I do a lot of different things, like take me back in between. We're gonna check out Windy Day, and I think this is also an album you told me I want me to do a first listen to. I'm trying to remember. I need to go back and check the comments for Liar Liar. But I think this is what y'all said. I could be wrong. If anything, y'all just let me know in the comments anyway, but I won't listen to the album this is on until I listen to those comments. Listen to the comments? You gonna speak to me? Read the comments. Alright, Windy Day. Ooh. Are there lyrics? Yeah, there are. This is 1K, right? Yeah. That words threw me off so much. Do you hear this? What the hell? What just happened? With everything, the MV, Oh my girl, bro. Where did that come from? What did I miss? What prompted this sudden... So it's just a finger gun. It's a real gun. And then this song pretends like nothing happened. The crazy thing is that I was playing Love Cherry Motion in the beginning. That's the crazy thing. That is the most wild coincidence on this planet, is that I was playing Love Cherry Motion in the beginning of this. What the hell? What in the switch up? What is... That is so cool. I love that. Was so good. I did not see that kind of switch up, like what it switched into, like a bit like Egyptian, I think. I guess like Egyptian. It was like Egyptian, right? I'm not getting my places and sounds mixed up. Not sure if it's exactly Egyptian. I just have my places and sounds mixed up, but you know what I mean, I think. They're really pretending like nothing happened just now. just sing so beautifully. The music is so good. What's about to happen again? Jiho's really creeping me out. This song took me to whatever world they come from, because I couldn't focus on anything but the sound. Like the song itself, just how it sounded. Like I have lyrics up, but it was hard to read them. Like it was really hard to read the lyrics. So to a degree, I was looking and I was hearing the song, but I swear to God, all I saw was a kaleidoscope. Like, I don't know what was happening anymore. When they started saying like Windy Day and like the beat switch up, all I saw was like tie-dye. And yes, I noticed that Mimi didn't have a verse in this. Is there a reason? Did it just not fit? I think it could have fit, but I like the song anyway. But obviously, you know me. I love me some Mimi. So it's just a little, I wish she had a verse in it, but it's fine. Yo, there's definitely something going on, some overarching thing going on, that if I sat here and watched it again, chilled and saw it, they all turned into like deers in the end of it, or mooses, or mises, or meese. I just want to know what Jiho's doing to them. Dude, I read the description and it said the next generation girl group, OmaeGirl, who has been attracting the global music fans since debut a year ago. There's a period there. I read that so poorly. Oh my God. They are coming back with the repackaged album Windy Day, and this time they are warning us about the transformation and one and only concept and performance of OmaeGirl. With one and only concept and performance of OmaeGirl. Windy Day not only includes a Windy Day along with Stupid in Love, Liar Liar, Chinese version, making up 8 songs in total. But what? I'm so confused internally. I'm just gonna replay the song. I'm so confused. I'm so fucking confused. But there's part of me that doesn't want an explanation. I just want to remain confused and just like the song. Like, I know there's meaning behind the song. I've already like seen some of the lyrics and stuff. But then it's just that when they hit Windy Day, bro, I kind of forget everything. It kind of like, it's like, what did I just read? What did I just read? Oh.